Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic with 13,370 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a California sidecar TRIKE kit, reverse, right triple clamps, Kawasaki windshield, extended mirrors, engine guard, and electronic locking luggage. The Vulcan Classic offers timeless styling and touring capabilities, making it a great option for brief rides or extended trips. Powered by a 903cc V-twin engine, the Vulcan puts 50 horsepower and 57 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 657 pounds and has a 26.8-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.